Have you ever been right in the middle of doing something, like playing a game or getting ready to speak to the class, and suddenly, out of nowhere, a little thought pops in, stopping you in your tracks? These thoughts usually start with two little words: what if? You might hear your brain whisper, "What if I mess up?" Or "What if everyone laughs?" When those thoughts show up, our bodies can feel it too. Your tummy might get all swirly, or your chest feels kind of heavy. Maybe your whole body just feels tight. If you've ever felt that way, even just a little bit, you should know that you aren't alone. It happens to so many people. It's totally normal. Feeling wobbly or tight doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It's just a sign that we need to understand what a worry thought actually is. A worry thought is actually just a thought about the future. It isn't about what is happening right now. It's about what might happen later. Your brain isn't trying to make you feel bad. It's actually acting like a serious, hard-working bodyguard. Its only job is to stay on the lookout for problems to keep you safe. To do its job, your brain uses a secret tool, a tiny time machine. It zooms into the future to see what's coming next. Once it gets there, it starts making up a little what-if movie about something that hasn't even happened yet. But remember, that movie is just a guess. Real life is what is happening for real, right in this moment. A guess is not the same thing as reality. When you can tell the difference, you can just notice the thought and go, "Hang on, that's just a what-if movie my brain is playing. That's not what's actually happening right now." Since we know the movie isn't real life, what do we do when one of those worry thoughts shows up? We can use 3 brave tools. Tool number 1 is now or not now. When you feel a worry, ask yourself, is this happening right now? If it's not, you can just label it. In your head, say, "This is a not now thought." You don't have to fight it, just notice it. Tool number 2 is a way to bring that time machine back to today. We do this by checking in with our 5 senses. Look around and name 5 things you can see. Now find 4 things you can feel, like your clothes or your chair. Listen for 3 things you can hear, and find 2 things you can smell. And finally, take 1 slow, gentle breath in and out. Our third tool is to share the worry. Sometimes these thoughts feel too big to hold all by yourself. Talking to a grown-up you trust is a strong thing to do. A lot of times, just saying the words out loud makes the worry feel smaller. Using these tools sends a message to that bodyguard part of your brain. You're telling it, it's okay, we're not in that movie. We're safe right here, right now. Those worry thoughts are like clouds passing in the sky. They're just visitors. They might drift in for a moment, but they don't stay forever. If you only remember one thing today, please remember this. A guess about the future is not a fact. You are not your worry thoughts. You are much bigger than they are. You're the one who is strong enough and wise enough to just notice them. You are the watcher of the thoughts. Your brain's time machine will probably keep zooming into the future to try and protect you, and that's okay. You know that you live right here, in this moment. So I'll leave you with just one little question. Right now, in this moment, what do you see?